Welcome to 10-Minute Monday. And today I'm going to teach you how to remove the dates from your blog posts. And this is something, I was doing a website for a customer and she asked me to remove the blog date. The last time I did this, I used a plugin, but WordPress has changed so much with the Gutenberg editor that you do it differently now. And it's great because they always say if you add a plugin in, it can cause problems possibly down the road. Depending on your site and depending on your theme, this is the 2019 theme. And yes, you can put excerpts on your homepage and it'll show the date there. If you click on the blog page in the navigation menu under blog, you'll have your blogs, they'll have a date there. And then as well on the blog post. So there's 3 different areas. I could do it one of 2 ways. And I can just remove everything at once unless you decide that you only want it removed in a few different places. So if you wanted it removed from every place at once, it is the same thing that you would do if you were on the blog page. So for example, if I'm on the home page and then I go to blog, that's what I'm calling the blog page versus individual posts. So you go to the blog page and you typically get a little snippet of your blog and you can have a few blogs on a page. Well, the date's going to show up. So if you're going to remove them from here, you're going to remove them site-wide. I just want you to know right off the bat. And to remove it site-wide and to remove it like one fell swoop, you're going to go to your dashboard. And from there, you're going to go into settings and general. And when you scroll down, you're going to see something here. It says date format. You simply click on the word custom, remove this, just take it right out of this little field and save changes, and that's it. Your blog dates are removed throughout your site in every single place. So this is absolutely just quick and dirty. So, and just to check that. And I've read posts that some people say, just get rid of the date in general, you don't need it. So there, see, it's gone from here. It is gone from here. And it's also gone on the blog page itself. So from your blog page on the navigation menu to go to each individual blog, it's gone from there as well. But say if you say, well, gee, I really didn't want to remove it from everywhere. Well, I just want to show you, just go back and go back to settings, general. Under date format, click on the current date. And as you can see, what's great, this field comes back just the way it was before. So, if you were a little worried about, oh, I don't want to delete something forever, how am I going to remember if I want that back? Just click on the date format again and click Save Changes. So now the dates are all going to come back. And I'm glad to show you this because I want to show you if you want to remove them just from the home page, how to do that. It's a different way. And then if you just want to remove them from the blog post, not the blog page that runs through everything. So here we're on the home page, and there again, scrolling down, you can see that these are back in. To remove them from the home page, you're going to go into the back end of your site under Edit. This is new to WordPress, and because in the sense that this is new to the Gutenberg block editor. And this is the handy dandy tool I showed you last week. Hover over these tools, say Edit, get your selection tool, and it selects the whole block right away, which is great. So once you select the whole block right away, you'll see this right-hand side menu appear in the back end. And watch this. You want to make sure you're under blocks versus document. So when you're under blocks, there's something called display post date. You click on this, it turns into neutral, and boom, they're gone. That's it. You want them back in? Click on this. So it's under Post Media Settings, Display Post Date. Toggle it on, toggle it off. So say we want it on, you decide you want it on, click Update. And the third way I'm going to show you, and this is for your blog posts, which is right here, meaning this is This is the blog post that's all by itself. If you were to go to your blog page, and it has a sampling of all your blog posts, when somebody clicks on your blog post, it takes them to the post. And this particular theme has the date right here, right up front. So how do you get rid of that? That's a little bit different. And you're going to go to the dashboard. And there again, because this is the new WordPress, we're going to Appearance and Customize. And this brings up this Customizer menu. And of course, when you first get to it, it takes you back to the home page. But no, you say, I want to make sure that I'm doing this on the blog page, what I show you. So I'm going to once again click on the blog page and click on the individual blog to show you. You're going to click on this word additional CSS. And I'm going to give you the code. In fact, the code I put is in the chat, but I also have it up here nice and big. And I simply copy this code, edit copy, and I put it right in this area here. Boom, it's gone. All the data is gone. Isn't that amazing? I've given you 2 pieces of code. So if you want to take all the data out underneath, you would use the other code. And if you want to take just the published data, you would put that. It's a simple CSS. Thank you for joining me on 10-Minute Monday. If you are viewing this video from my website or from YouTube and you'd like to come to my free trainings, please go to my website, fieldsgraphicdesign.com, and fill out the form at the top of the page. You'll not only get an invitation to join me live on Mondays, you'll also receive a list of my favorite free resources for great photography that you can use on your website or in any project. Also, when you join me live on 10-Minute Monday, you'll be able to ask a question about the training you just saw or even about your own website. So I hope to see you on my next 10-Minute Monday.